Alright dudes, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are talking about a massive cold front in the USA. And I will explain more in this video, so let's not take more time and let's start looking at the model. So, Wednesday we're getting snow coming into the US. And then if I continue to go, this is a GFS American model. And then if we go on moving to Thursday, it's going to be coming for... Hold on. Alright guys, so like what I was saying, we're going to get... On Thursday, there's going to be snow up to Wyoming, possibly South Dakota into Nebraska. And in Wisconsin, and in Iowa. And in Minnesota, you guys are supposed to see snow tomorrow, according to what the GFS says. So guys, if we look further into time, Friday, we're supposed to get snow up. Ow! Oh, and we're supposed to get snow in PA, maybe a mixture after the overnight hours. Friday, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, even in West Virginia, and into Kentucky. There's going to be snow. Ohio looks like it might get a little bit of snow, but look, Washington and Oregon, you guys are going to get snow on Friday morning. And then it's going to be entering up to Maine, New York, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and then it's going to be gone. But that's not going to be the end. So it wasn't looking like more interesting. But after this, there's going to be a lot of it. Alright, now with our total snowfall, let's see how much snow we're supposed to be getting.
They're gonna fight. Who's gonna win?
Alright guys, so if we go on, so there's going to be a lot of snow coming. So as if you see your blue, you see your staying light purple or an orange, prepare and the next snowstorm is coming. So guys, this is all that I got for this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.